planted. It finally bloomed today.
Wow, amazing! I also have one. Wait right here. See? It's here.
Mac, that's a special flower you got there.
I know. Just a few drops of water is all it needs. Have a look, pals.
No, I don't want to get pricked.
I don't want that either.
If you two had gloves like mine, you'd never be afraid of the cactus spikes. Watch this.
Mac!
Ouch! Ouch! It hurts! I forgot to put on the other glove.
Mac, you'd better be more careful.
Huh? Okay.
A warning from Star Headquarters. Chufa! Report the current situation.
Megabug is invading the game Motorcycle Desert Challenge.
Motorcycle? That's my toy.
Let's start today's game.
Your mission today is to win the motorcycle game and retrieve the motorcycle toy. Begin at the assembly shop to choose your equipment and start the game. The game includes racing in 3 areas. The racer who succeeds in entering the 3rd area will get Xing Xing Zhang Li, which means star reward.
No problem. Mia, Mac, and Bibop, are you ready?
Yes.
Chufa! These are motorcycles developed by the system. We can choose whichever one we want, and then add the features that we like. Wow, what a cool feature rocket jump is!
Huh?
Wow! My turn! I love this one. My feature is an umbrella.
Mac, are you sure you want an umbrella? Do you need it?
You don't understand. The umbrella can be helpful when there's wind, rain, thunder, and lightning.
Fine, as long as you're happy with it. I'll try too. Ah, there's a doll!
Hold on, Mia! Mia, do you think your doll will be helpful? Anyway, the motorcycles are ready. Let's go!
BOOMi, riding motorcycles is what I'm best at. You better surrender now.
Let's wait and see.
Really? Well, I hope you aren't disappointed.
Welcome to the Motorcycle Desert Challenge of Star World. The game is a race for speed. The team who reaches the finish line first wins. Are you ready? And go!
Hey, you gotta play fair!
Mia, go faster to catch up. Mac, close your umbrella.
Fine, I'll retract it for now and open it when I need it.
Ah, good. Looks like we're winning for now, but just to be sure.
Ah, what's that?
BOOMi, this is my gift for you.
You see? I knew it would be helpful.
Ah! BOOMi, why is it only raining on our side?
It's gotta be Megabug. Mac, close
I think I have to take a break from the game.
Mac, just rest here. We'll come get you after the game.
Huh? BOOMi, we can't stay here for long. The lightning is coming.
Lightning? Got an idea. Mia, let's keep going. I know how to get past them. Bebop, hop in.
Hey, boss, wait for me! Huh?
Hey, David!
Hey, boss, David is out.
So what? Victory's still ours. Let's go!
Look, the cloud is vanishing.
The energy megabug put in the cloud is running out. Let's hurry to catch up with them.
Okay.
You think you can catch up to us with those bikes? James, speed up!
But boss, there's no way out there.
No way, no problem. Let's go!
BOOMi, are we jumping too?
We are. The second area is just over there. Let's jump. Mia, look. Do you see all these cacti in the desert?
Wow, they're all so tall. Oh, their spines are scary though.
Mia, the way ahead might be dangerous with all those cacti. Be careful.
Okay, I will. It's strange. Where is everybody?
Huh? Mia, move out of the way!
Your luck will run out.
We can't stay on the highway. It's too dangerous. Let's go in the grove.
Oh, it hurts! Ow.
Sorry, boss, I'll lift it right now. Boss, my motorcycle's damaged.
You aren't even helping! Come on, block their way!
Mia, let's hurry.
Ah! 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 Huh?
Well done, James. I'll go first.
Boss, what about me?
BOOMi, I'm trapped.
Don't worry, Mia. Wait here. You can count on me to win the race.
Okay, be careful. Don't forget Xing Xing Zhang Li.
Okay. The third area. Xing Xing Zhang Li should be here.
BOOMi, there's only the two of us left, and you don't stand a chance.
I'm never going to give up. Xing Xing Zhang Li.
Huh? How is it possible? BOOMi's winning again? No way, I have to do something!
BOOMi, you're so done. Too bad your motorcycle can't fly.
You sure about that? Bebop, hold on. Rocket jump! Xing Xing Zhang Li, power me up!
Why does BOOMi keep winning despite my sabotage?
Congratulations to the winners. The Megabug virus has been removed.
All right, we made it!
Congratulations on saving another toy.
We made it!
Vroom, vroom! I can play with my motorcycle again.
Mac, careful!
Wow, Mia saved me again. Whoa!
Ugh, Mac.